lights. They got some big speakers in these things. They look like 8-seaters. Texas, US. Dubai. I lived in Kuwait 4 years. I don't know what's going on. It's about 10 women out there with like 3 guys. What's going on? We just made it to Phuket. We are on the island. This is the 4th stop. I love Thailand. That's all I gotta say. This scenery is different from what I'm used to. Got mountain views with the beach. It's nice. It's about an hour's taxi ride from the airport to where most of the hotels are at. But yeah, we here. Gonna get to the hotel, get settled in, and hit the streets. First impressions of Phuket is way different from the other 3 cities I've been hanging out at. I'm just walking. I assume this was one of the main streets. I still haven't looked up actually where everything is at. I walked maybe a few blocks from my hotel and I'm seeing this is where the action is at, and it's not too far from down the street of where my hotel is. One thing I'm noticing here is it's a lot more chill and cool here. I'm seeing a lot of Indian restaurants. I don't know if it's just the neighborhood that it was in, but I will say that it is different from Bangkok, Chonburi, and Pattaya. It's real nice out here. I'm seeing a lot of couples out here. That's one nice thing. So if you're a couple and you want to come out here, you don't want to see the chaos, craziness, this is one of the main streets. The beach is 1 street away. I haven't been to it yet. This is where you get into all the bars and stuff. Again, it's my first time down here. If I turn the camera away, it's because I'm probably trying to avoid something or some women. You know, I don't want to show the women because I have no clue where I'm going. They do have a lot of side streets where you got restaurants and places to shop and eat. You got a lot of souvenirs, got things out here. Same as all the other places. I like this vibe. If you want something slower, there's a lot of beach hotels. I haven't even been down that strip yet. Now this is where it looks like it's getting to all the partying. You can see there, it's nothing but bars in there. I haven't even been there yet, so this is my first impression. They got some nice rides here. If you look, they got speakers and lights. They got some big speakers in these things. They look like 8-seaters or 10-seater little buses. But that's cool. I haven't seen that in any of the other cities here in Thailand. There's one across the street. This look like this is where the spot's at. I won't be taking my camera in there. We can just walk past. That's gonna be as much as we gonna do. I'll probably point it over there from a distance. First impression is great. Oh, that's a huge street. People all up in there. These are cool. I like these rides. They're like little small cargo vans that they transform and they made into rides. Oh wow, so this is my first side street that I've seen that it is long. It goes down to, I can't even see how far it ends. Yeah, this is the spot. It says Bangla Walking Street down there, and that's Patong Beach. This is it. It's nice. People getting out their taxis, getting here. It's real cool. It's live out here. One thing I do like is it's cooler. It's not as humid. It's breezy. I do like the weather. It's real nice. I'm seeing a lot more Indian and Middle Easterns out here compared to the other cities I've been to. Everybody's out taking pictures. This is considered early. This is like, it's almost 10 p.m. I don't know how late they hang out here. I don't know what the timeline is here yet. But yeah, it'll look good. I'm gonna have to get my, they got a lot of Thai food. Of course, I'm gonna be trying a lot of food while I'm here. They got mixed burgers with Thai. I love the fish out here. The fish is real good. It's tasty. I don't know what this is to my left. Look like this is the mall. Yep, this is a huge mall. They doing some dancing out here. A whole bunch of shopping across the street. There's a lot of guys. I didn't see this much in Bangkok and Pattaya. I got a black guy in there dancing. He's probably gonna be African. Got some Thai guys in there dancing. I like this. It's crazy how I've traveled to probably almost 40 countries now. And I'm hearing people speak in languages that I have no clue where they from. I mean, I love it. You look at somebody's face and you would know where they from. That's nice. This is it's just me. I'm solo. It's nice though. They promote. I'm curious on how much these cost. I'm gonna have to ask. I like these. They look like small old cargo vans, and they got the lights. They got amps. They putting big speakers in. Some have some big old speakers, and it's pretty nice. They got McDonald's. This must be the American area. They got McDonald's, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut. Okay, so this is the mall. Got a lot of, the souvenirs are different here. I would say probably similar to Bangkok. Not so much Pattaya. Then they got the street vendors. This is nice. I think that's the main strip. I still don't know what's on the beach. I'm gonna go walk over to the beach tonight to show a little bit. This is my first night. I'll be here a while exploring. Of course, we're gonna find some markets. We're gonna try some food. This is a nice sized market here. It goes down. It's good? Ah, okay. He said it's good. Texas. Where you from?
You from?
Texas, U.S.
I'm from Dubai.
Dubai? Yeah. I lived in Kuwait.
Kuwait.
4 years. Yeah, Dubai. I love Dubai.
You YouTuber?
Yes.
YouTuber?
I am, yeah. You speak good English. That's good. See, if I looked at him, I don't think he's from there. He might live there. I still could be wrong. Here you got some more shopping. This is their night market. If it's nice, anything different, of course we're gonna have to do a walkthrough. We're gonna have to go in there and hang out. I do need to find some food. Seems like that is the spot. They got a long strip. I'm looking on the map of where I'm walking on Google. And look here, y'all need the shoes. It's not, I like the quality of these shoes. And I don't care if they fake. They still look good. They look real good. I still haven't tried their mangoes out here. I'm gonna have to try their mangoes. This is nice. I would say this is more family friendly to me, or if you're in a relationship, this is somewhere that I would most likely bring a partner or family or kids, because I do recommend a lot of places to people. I have people messaging me asking me, oh, can I bring my kids there? And Some I just be like, no, it's not a place. Not a place. If I wouldn't bring my kids, I'm just gonna say no. You know. So it's getting more quieter down here. So this look like this is the end of the strip of where most of the people are at hanging out. You still got a lot of restaurants. You still got a lot of bars out here. I am seeing a lot of lady boys out here. No offense to them. Got no issues with them. But I'm seeing a lot. You have to look, because some you would think they're a woman. And if I'm not sure, sir, first I'll just look. Just, you know, if they say hi, I'll say hi to be nice. I won't ever be disrespectful or anything. For some, you won't even be able to tell. So for the guys who want to come out here and have some fun, you better ask. And I found out it's not disrespectful to ask, because I was curious. Everywhere I go, I like to learn. And they said no, it's not disrespectful. They say they will tell you. And also I found out on their IDs and passports, you can't change the gender on your passport. So if you have to question it, first off, I'm gonna be worried already if I have to question it. But yeah, we're gonna head to the beach and show some more. It's still just a lot of shops here, a lot of massage spots. She said hi. Usually a lot of massage women don't want to speak or say hi, look at the camera, but she was actually nice. We're gonna go down to the beach, get some first impressions. I don't know what's down there. I can't even tell you. That's because this is a first impression. I will say they got a lot of nice hotels out here. This goes down even further. I'm not gonna walk all the way down because I'm just getting even further away from everything. We got the 7-Eleven. I gotta get me a water and 7-Eleven. We love our 7-Elevens here. I'm saying we like I live here. Oh, this line's long. We'll come back. I noticed the 7-Elevens out here are packed. They do have another grocery store, a small mini market out here. They have a lot more of them that I've seen, which is good. I'm gonna have to get in the ride in one of these little rides. A lot of shopping. Women out. Yeah, I will say that massage spot there, I think majority of the employees are lady boys. That's something I haven't seen much. How's it going? Something I haven't seen much in all the other cities. You'll see one or two mixed in with the ladies, but not majority like that. They got a lot of marijuana spots out here. As always, they everywhere on every block, every street. I just walked through a gang of massage spots, and they all on the street sitting. They gonna grab your hand. They gonna want you to stop and talk to them. They gonna speak to you. They want to try to get some money because they gotta, they gotta work. And I just walked through a crowd. That part, my arm probably got grabbed 4, 5, 6 times. And it's not aggressive. They real nice. It's rare to see fighting out here. There's some women out there swinging at a guy. I don't know what's going on. It's about 10 women out there with like 3 guys. Oh, he did something. Oh, there's a lot of guys trying to protect him from the women. He did something. One of them swung on him. Got my shawarmas. These are pretty long compared to the other ones I've had in the past here. It's a real big crowd out there now.
There's a lot more people on the other side of this wall too. I wouldn't be surprised if they put him in jail, because it looked like he ripped some hair out of somebody's head.
We're gonna try the chicken out. We didn't make it to the beach. Started to rain. It's live out here. There was still a lot of more streets I didn't show. This is the first impressions. We're gonna say the beach for another day. It's gonna be in the next video. Stay tuned. We're gonna relax at the room tonight. It's been a long day. Tired, exhausted.
Hi guys.
We're gonna chill tonight. Catch y'all on the next one.